Big Bros here, how na dey now? This video I wan do am specially for Nigerians wey dey live abroad. I don observe say the location people wey dey watch my video, all of them na from Nigeria dem dey. Haba, e dey very bad now. Guys, we be all Nigerians and we be brothers and sisters and na the same place we come from. Just because una move abroad or dey stay abroad no mean say una don forget pidgin now. E no mean say una don forget broken now. Because una dey live for US, dey live for France, dey live for UK, dey live for Germany, dey live for Belgium, dey live for Japan. You wan tell me say you don forget pidgin language, you no understand pidgin again? Why now? I dey drop con ten t wey dey connected to men, especially to men, and I dey do am, I dey arrange dis my con ten t for pidgin language. Make una try support me now. Una just dey only flip oyinbo pages. Una be oyinbo ne? Una no be oyinbo now. Haba guys, haba make una show me one love now. Make una show una brother one love. If I grow for dis YouTube, Nigeria grow be that. No be so? So which one be say una just dey open, dey subscribe, dey like, dey share for others. Una no dey share for una own national language. After English for Nigeria na pidgin, followed by other languages. Abi na lie? Haba. Everything, the content wey I don release out so far na the location na all na from Nigeria. No any location outside Nigeria. Haba. Are you going to speak English? Must I speak English before I hammer? I no need to speak English before I hammer now, guys. Abeg. I like una. I trust una. I no be say for anything. You understand me? Abeg. I just seek say when I dey watch my content wey I release for video. Na pidgin, yes, but it makes sense because majority of Nigerians na pidgin dem sabi. And that's why I decided to drop this my content for pidgin. So that I cover many people as much as possible I fit. But if una support me with una own by subscribing, by liking, by sharing with una guys, gist and bubbles, we will go together now. And then we will fit grow together. So when I hammer for this YouTube, I will appreciate una. And we go hammer together. Abba, let's make it proudly Nigeria now. Abeg, when I dey watch my content, when I dey watch my channel, I thank una again. And I apologize if it at all, maybe una feel another way. Apologize my guys. But I know say when I dey, no go carry last. When they carry last Nigerians. I trust una. And if una wan do am, una go do am. My name na Big Bros. Abeg, when I dey watch my channel, dey watch my content, na pidgin level, but it makes sense for men. Yes, men and I get this channel, and men I dedicate this channel to now. Nothing more, nothing less. Until I come my way again, Big Boss, I don't sign out.